Are you tired of feeling sluggish, relying on coffee, or struggling with low energy? What if I told you there's a natural way to stay energized and healthy without the caffeine crash? Meet Moringa leaf powder, the ultimate superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll explore why Moringa is a game changer for your health, how it boosts energy, and how you can add it to your daily routine. Stay tuned. What is Moringa? Moringa oleifera, also called the miracle tree, is a nutrient-dense plant native to India, Africa, and Asia. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine due to its healing properties. Today, it is widely recognized as a superfood for its rich nutritional profile and health benefits. Why is Moringa a superfood? Moringa is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. It also contains powerful antioxidants that protect the body from free radical damage. Unlike artificial supplements, Moringa is a natural source of vital nutrients that support overall health. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits. Its rich concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes it one of the best natural supplements for overall well-being. Boosts natural energy. Moringa provides a steady energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine. Its high iron and vitamin B content help the body produce energy efficiently. Enhances brain function. The antioxidants in Moringa support cognitive health by improving memory, focus, and mental clarity. Studies suggest it may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Strengthens the immune system. Packed with vitamin C, Moringa helps fight infections, viruses, and colds. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties further protect the body from harmful pathogens. Supports digestion and gut health. Moringa is rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a balanced gut microbiome. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe digestive issues. Aids in weight management. Moringa helps regulate metabolism, control appetite, and maintain balanced blood sugar levels, making it an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Promotes heart health. Moringa helps lower bad cholesterol LDL and supports healthy blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Its potassium content also helps maintain stable blood pressure. Balances blood sugar levels. Moringa contains compounds that can help reduce blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Improves skin and hair health. With high levels of vitamin A, E, and antioxidants, Moringa nourishes the skin, promotes a youthful glow, and strengthens hair. It can also help reduce acne and dryness. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce pain, swelling, and discomfort in joints and muscles. Detoxifies the body. Moringa acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the body of harmful toxins and heavy metals, promoting overall health and vitality. How to use Moringa daily. Moringa leaf powder is versatile and easy to incorporate into daily life. You can make Moringa tea by adding it to hot water with honey and lemon. Blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Sprinkle it over soups, salads, and meals. Take Moringa capsules for convenience. Is Moringa safe? Precautions and side effects. Moringa is generally safe for most people when consumed in recommended amounts. However, like any powerful superfood, it's important to use it correctly and be aware of potential side effects. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before using Moringa, as excessive consumption may stimulate uterine contractions. While small amounts are generally safe, it's best to avoid large doses. People on medication. If you take medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or thyroid conditions, consult your healthcare provider before using Moringa. It can lower blood sugar and blood pressure, which may require dosage adjustments in medications. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of Moringa powder may cause mild digestive discomfort, including diarrhea, bloating. It's best to start with small amounts and gradually increase intake. Potential allergies. While rare, some individuals may be allergic to Moringa. If you experience any allergic reactions like itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, stop use immediately and seek medical advice. Overconsumption of Moringa can lead to imbalances in the body due to its powerful effects. Stick to the recommended dosage, typically 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually adjust based on your body's response. Moringa leaf powder is a natural powerhouse that can help you stay energized, healthy, and vibrant. Start incorporating it into your routine today to experience its amazing benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.